Hey, it's Jackie. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like if you're not already a subscriber. It really helps a really tiny channel like mine. So today we're going to look at a video of my cabin. So I had a balcony cabin on the Mardi Gras. So stay tuned to see that. I also just wanted to talk about something that I find that a lot of people don't know about. There's a site, it's called cruisedeckplans.com. I'll put I'll put it down in the description. I might also plop it in here. But it is a site. There's a private site which you pay, I think I paid $12 forever, not a year, and a free site, and you can see pictures and videos of cabins, and they pay you. Now they pay you 50 cents a picture. So I think this last time I uploaded 4 or 5 pictures for them, I got, a couple bucks. But I kind of feel like I'm doing more of a public service because you can go in there and actually see pictures of rooms. Sorry, my dogs are being bad. Of rooms of where you might want to stay. And it gives you a real time, or whenever the picture was taken, you can look to see when the picture was uploaded, of what the rooms actually look like. I have a problem with somebody saying, oh, it's 200 square feet, and me understanding what that will look like. So I like that. I also find that a lot of travel agents don't really go over room placement. So unless I'm going really cheap with guaranteed, which I've gone once or twice if the price is really worth it. But most of the time I will pick the room that I want, the cabin that I want to stay in. And I use the site all the time to look, to see what the cabin actually looks like, the size wise and where it's located and all that. So I use it all the time. It has some neat features where you can drag decks on top of each other so you can see exactly what's above and below. So enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, please. Okay, so we're at 659. That's our stateroom. It's a balcony. I mean, it's okay size balcony. It's got two rooms and a chair. Just be aware that those people on the end can see right in, and we can see right in theirs, including that man who shouldn't be smoking. Just FYI. Okay, and then as you can see, it's got that definitely folds into a bed, that sofa. And then you got this nice area here with what looks like a wine thing, but it's the refrigerator. And some drawers there. This I'm sure you've seen. It comes out and flips. Maybe. Hey Bri, can you come help me? Back. I had to call in the reinforcements. So it slides over and then you flip it over. Put that on that. No, flip it. And you have a tray. So that's nice. They did good with the USB ports that we haven't always had in Carnival. Nice big mirror. Hey Brian. Some chairs. Nice bed. Big TV. I'll shut the bathroom for now. And closets. Big closets. Nice. I really like these. I've seen them on other YouTubers where they have these racks. And then the thing that I really like is this for your shoes. I have vertigo occasionally, and bending down to get my shoes to find my matches to shoes is awful. So that really will help me. You can move the shelves to make big, if you have long gowns. I don't know if anybody wears them anymore. I used to. And then the bathroom. Okay, so we've got the toilet and then the glass door, which everybody has talked about. It's nice. I think the shower's pretty good. Okay, so I didn't really do much of a stateroom tour because they're all over the YouTube, and I'm not the first one here, so you can find them. But something I found really interesting, the safe is really big. So I have my document folder that I have all my stuff in, and normally that would not fit in a normal Carnival or any ship's safe. But look, it goes in there and it's got room to spare. Just interesting observation.